Imagine never sleeping again. You might think you'd eventually die from exhaustion, but your brain begins doing something terrifying. It starts shutting parts of itself off.
After 24 hours without sleep, you'll feel unfocused and mentally slow. But something stranger is happening inside your head. Hey, did you finish that report? By the second day, sleep-like moments become longer.
Brain can briefly stop fully processing its surroundings. Your eyes may remain open, while part of your mind temporarily checks out.
By the third day, things can become far more severe. Speech may become unclear. Hands can tremble. Hallucinations appear. Dreaming becomes waking life. The brain generates dreams while you're awake. The boundary breaks down. Sleep isn't just a period of rest. It's when your brain strengthens and organizes memories.
Without sleep, new experiences become much harder to properly store. Your brain keeps taking in information, but becomes increasingly unable to file it away.
During sleep, the brain activates a natural cleaning system. Fluid flows through brain tissue, removing waste that builds up during waking hours. Without enough sleep, this process is disrupted, and over time, the brain begins to carry what it was meant to clear away.